Hey traders, 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗀 here, and in this video we're going to go over the popular Chinese EV car maker NIO, ticker symbol NIO. Now in a previous video I said I think NIO could get to $100 per share, and NIO had a nice dip, and this was one of the China EV stocks I was pounding for long. It was LA Auto, 𝗧𝗶𝗺, and NIO. Heck, I even put $40,000 in the Tesla around $600, and that's worked out beautiful. So where does the China EV market stocks go from here? Well, let's first look at the chart. I'm looking at a daily chart with a 200-day moving average. That's this big yellow, I think it's yellow or orange, I'm colorblind, line right there. And I'm also looking at implied volatility down below. So we can see implied volatility very low, obviously, with the VIX around 16 and no earnings upcoming. Volatility is going to be low. But NIO, despite low volatility, has had a massive move, up about 20% month to date here, which is very phenomenal in the month of June. But also earnings. We need to start looking at the earnings event that should be coming around the first or second week of August, and implied volatility will probably rally into that earnings. Therefore, option prices, the price of puts and calls, will be more expensive. Now, I think on a good earnings report here in NIO, we could possibly see the upper end of this range. So I already have a little line here around $57. We'll give ourselves a little wiggle room, $57 to $60 for our measured move target. If we want to look at the options, we can actually look and pinpoint what the market makers are implying for earnings, and I'm going to assume the August monthly options capture earnings. And the reason why I never want to assume, but we can look at implied volatility here, and you see how we go up about 4 points from 65 IV from the August 6th expiration to the monthly August expiration around a 69%, 69.5%. So usually in the expiration date where IV is high, that's when you have the earnings event. So they're implying about a $10 move higher or lower on earnings. If we add $10 to the current stock price, we'll just round up to 50 a share. That gives us a move to 60 a share. Where was our measured move price target? 57 to 60 a share. Boom, gotta love it. We're on point with the market makers. Now let's say everything's bottles of champagne models and the EV stocks continues to soar. Look for that prior high. If we take out the prior high at 66.99, to be honest with you, it's really blue skies ahead. And that $100 price target that I gave back when the stock was around $40 doesn't look that crazy. So quick update on NIO. I think NIO is the pick out of the gang, but also LA Auto. Oh, baby, hold me tight. You're looking beautiful too. 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲, another one breaking out to the upside. And then Tesla has just been an absolute phenomenal beast off that 200-day moving average. How do you not love it? And my bank account is loving it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the whole YouTube algorithm. And I am 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗀. You can follow me on Twitter at 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗀 or Instagram at 𝗧𝗴𝗀𝗀, where I post about my cigars, fine whiskey, sometimes hot chicks, but more importantly, about stocks. And I'll catch you in the next video.